Robert here for another morning bike ride. I'm currently, I think I passed Batangas, Batangas, going down through Kinalaglagan, the downhill descent all the way to Balete. And I'm going to Tita Eva's. That's where I'm gonna have coffee this morning. Maybe a little breakfast this time. Check out the views. Oh my god, going downhill. You gotta be careful. It gets really fast. Dogs. You gotta be careful with some dogs. Come on, Douglas. Move up. Oh wow. Going downhill. I'm using a folding bike, by the way, guys. The 360 bike. Oh wow. I'll stop and show you the view right here. That's the Gaitai Ridge right up there. Really nice. Hey guys, Robert here. I'm here at Barangay Kinalaglagan. As you can see, it was a really steep descent coming down all the way down here. And most of the road is asphalt, so really smooth, really fun going downhill. Now I have gone uphill a number of times, not on this bike, but on a road bike. It is quite a challenge, but really good training. Anyway, I just wanted to show you the view. The view is really nice. I think that's the Gaitai all the way over there. And we're gonna be having a cup of coffee over there at Tita Eva's. Come on, let's go. I'm hungry and thirsty. Check out this place. This must be... Oh. Active group. We have this little cool beachside thingy over here, and during the development. Okay, it's not even 6 a.m. yet, so the coffee's still not ready, still cooking. It'll be cooked in about 5 minutes, but let's go check out what's here in Balete. everyone, while we're waiting for Tita Eva to make the coffee, let's talk about this bike over here. Anyway, I'm here in Taal Lake, and I think that's Volcano Island over there. So, is that steam? Oh my gosh, I think that's steam over the volcano. Okay, yeah. Anyway, it's recently there was a volcanic fog that encompassed Lipa city, you know, uphill. As you can see, clear skies right now. A little steam action going there on the volcano. That is the smallest active volcano on Earth, I think. Yeah, and it's just nearby. Anyway, about this bike, this is a 360 folding bike. I'm using this time the Schwalbe Kojak tires. This is my second 360 bike because the other one I took off the fenders, and this one I wanted to have a more of a classic look. So I'm keeping the fenders, but I did change the tires, and honestly, for something a little bit more cheaper than the Evolution one, this feels actually a lot faster. Even though this bike is heavier than the other one, I think this should be around the 12.5 range, 12.6 kilos. But yeah, but as you can see, the bike is still clean. The roads are wet sometimes because it did rain yesterday. But yeah, this is really cool. Everything else is stock. I did change the seat to the fabric seat. That's the only thing I changed, and added some pedals here. But other than that, everything is still the same. It's a really nice bike going downhill, even on the rough cement roads. But going downhill from Kinalaglagan, as you can see, it's mostly asphalt. So it's really nice, really smooth, really fun going downhill. But we'll be going uphill on another way. Anyway, enjoying this view, looking forward to my cup of coffee. Let's go. Look, it's the delivery of suman. Here in Balete, they're really known for their suman. So you got some toasted coconut and some rice cakes inside of these banana leaves. I guess out of protocol, they're using paper cups now. As you can see, this is so good. Nice piping hot. Tita Eva is so kind to me to balat anong tawag ito? Tamales.
Tamales.
Oh, this is tamales. This is not suman. So guys, it comes out nice and it's wrapped in banana leaves. And I think it's steamed, diba? Yeah, and there's a sauce there. I'm excited to try. Well, apparently, while I was eating the tamales, I wasn't recording actually a picture. But honestly, it was really good. Yeah, it's a rice cake that's been steamed or boiled, topped off with cocoa jam and coconut flakes, and honestly it was really delicious. It appears green because of the banana leaves, but I asked how come the suman, the long ones, appear white, and the suman is actually made with coconut milk, while the tamales is not made with any coconut milk, but the tamales topped with cocoa jam and coconut flakes. Really delicious. Enjoying it with another cup of coffee. This is my second one. So enjoying my time here. I'm looking forward to going uphill. Now I have been using this Avis Game Changer helmet for about 2.5 years already, and still looks great. I did put a sticker on there, my initials, R2M2, and a little image of R2D2 right there. Alright guys, it's 6:35 in the morning, and yes, the sun is shining. It is rainy season, so the rains do come in the afternoon. As you can see, the roads are dry, perfect for morning rides. So yeah, I'm wearing a long sleeve right now to protect me from the sun, just to make sure I got my protection. It looks really nice, really comfortable, really airy. And alam mo na, medyo matakot umitim kahit maitim na. Well, it is a long road going uphill. So, and I'm riding this bike, this folding bike. And it's pretty easy going uphill. One might think that going uphill on a folding bike is very difficult. It's really not. I mean, I'm going, right? This is a 6-speed folding bike, internal gear, so really cool. Now I am on an incline right now, as you can see. It's going, it's pretty nice. The sun is really shining. Going uphill, lots of other bikers. This is our playground. Check that out. Nice windy roads over here going down to Balete. Lots of joggers. Really fun. Honestly, it really feels just like, you know, my road bike. Going uphill. I had to take off my mask because I need air. I'm sure on the road bike this would be actually a little bit more easier. As you can see, I'm just having that uphill workout. Woo. Really nice. Nice. That's the road back there. Woo! Almost up. Okay. He just passed by me. That means I'm really slow. Come on. I have 16-inch wheels. Or I'm just really slow. This is my exact pacing on my road bike. So yeah, I'm slow. Slow and steady. Hey guys, that was done. Just finished the ride, just got home. I do park this thing inside, so I do wipe the tires down. Nice and clean. Be greeted by Bear. This is a half German, half Malinois. Hey baby. Okay, there was a mountain bike that was racing with me on the road. I was trying my best to keep up. We were going at it for a while. But yeah, I wasn't no match for his big tires and his younger age. But so glad I was able to keep up a little bit. Anyway, we got up the hill fine. Nice bike. Till next time. Cheers.